So I recently bought a Lipo battery off Amazon. It's a HRB 14.8 volt, 3300 milliamp hour 4S Lipo. I'll probably be running in that buggy right there. So let's go ahead and open this up. So inside you get your little warning sheet saying not to discharge below 3.7 volts. Do not throw battery in fire as it may explode. You know, your basic Lipo battery operation thing. So there's the battery. Once again, HRB 14.8 volt, 3300 milliamp hour, 60C discharge. I'm really excited to see how this will work in this buggy back here and my arm Italian. So that's it for the unboxing for today of this Lipo battery. As you can see, I have other two Lipos by HRB. These are 4000 milliamp hour 60Cs 3 cells. And so far these have been okay. I've ran them through water. This one's been submerged in water a couple times and it's still okay. They are balanced. They're still balanced from all the abuse I put them in. Right now I'm gonna check the balance. If this battery is balanced out of the box. So I got my Venom battery tester, whatever. Four cell, all 15.5 volts. Number 1, number 2, number 3. That one's a little higher. That one's also high. So basically around the same voltage. It's a little bit unbalanced out of the box. Okay, so I hooked it up to my charger. I haven't charged it anything yet, but there's cell 1 and 2, they're balanced, and 3 and 4, they're pretty much balanced. So something's wrong with that. I read it wrong. This one's reading it that they're 1, 2, 3, and 4, they're pretty much balanced all the way around.